Hey everybody, it's Tyler here at Black Rain Ordnance, and today we're going to go over our golf ball launcher. The golf ball launcher threads onto any half by 28, 5.56, or 223 AR that you might have. Ours is a little painted up, but they do come standard as an armor black, and today we're going to go over the procedures for it. So when you purchase it, you do get the golf ball launcher. You will get a wrench that does come with it. You get a 3-pack of golf balls as well. You will get a pack of blanks that will come with the purchase, as well as 3 crush washers. So we're going to go over the basic functions of it. So when you put it on, you will pull off your other muzzle device that you have on your firearm. You will take a crush washer, slide over it. We'll take the golf ball launcher and attach onto the end of that rifle. Once you get it on hand tight, you can take your wrench, take the 2 knobs on it, and slide it in between it and lock on your golf ball launcher. Following this, we will go over the procedures for basic loading, unloading, and firing the golf ball launcher as well. Please stay tuned. Hi everybody, so here we're going to go over the basic loading and functioning of this golf ball launcher. So first, once you get the launcher back on, you will clear it, make sure there is no live ammo in this. You will load a blank up into 1 mag. It will not lock back as it is a blank. So once you fire this, the bolt will stay forward. It will not lock itself back, even if there's only 1 blank in it. So you'll take your golf ball, and it is a tight fit, so once you get it in there, you will push it down all the way as far as you can. Once you get it down, it will stop. You'll get that down, take that blank, load it into it, let it go forward, and from here we will fire the golf ball on. As you can see, we are clear. There went the blank, since it does not lock back. So that is the basic function of the golf ball launcher. You can keep shooting as many blanks, as many golf balls as you have. Have fun, guys.